Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Discord account to Spotify. So if you want to sync the two together on Discord, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Discord and select the U icon down in the bottom right corner. Then once you're on your profile page, select the gear icon up at the top right. Go down underneath account settings and select connections. And then on this page, you want to select the little icon that says Spotify or looks like Spotify. Go ahead and select that, and then you would have to sign into your Spotify account to sync it up, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.